Mga kawok, kapapasok lang sa feed ko ito. Boom, no? Manong Chavit Simpson, yung dating Ilocos powerhouse, biglang nag-rest back kay Yusik Clay Castro. At akdok ka na nangangagat kapag nakaamoy ng pera. Hilaw ha, wait, di pa yan. Anti-Marcos na raw siya full throttle from ally to enemy. Is this the start of a political revolt? Today, simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo. Bakit nagiging ganito ang gobyerno? Bakit parang sirang plaka na yung pressure sa Malacanang? Grab your notes, Youth Squad. This is for you. Welcome to Walk with Land, where we dissect homeland politics with brains, not just noise. Let's dive in. Una, let's paint the picture. Imagine a young Luis Chavez Singson in the 90s, Ilocos Sur's enforcer against sweating lords. Walang takot mga kawok. He built roads, schools, at yung famous na waterfront casino sa Cebu na nagbigay ng trabaho sa libo-libong Pinoys. Under his watch, Ilocos Sur turned from blackwater. Hello. Okay, so under his watch, Ilocos Sur turned from backwater to boomtown. Pero here's the twist, ha? He was once BBM's Bongbong Marcos ride or die campaign ally in 2022. Remember, ha? Unity being daw, no? Fast forward to 2025. Bakit biglang lumipat ng campus? Simple kwentuhan. Chavit saw the cracks. Infrastructure projects in substandard, flood controls na nagiging swimming pool sa Ilocos Norte, his home turf. He called it out. Pababaan na, ha? Si BBM, not for personal gain, ha? He dared the palace, jail me, kill me if you want. Walang bahid sa akin. Brave right? Yung tipong tito mo na hindi natatakot sa away, pero may prinsipyo. Compare that to today's Trapos, all talk, no spine. Huh? This is what real leadership looks like. No filters IG, but he's up for buying. Okay, let's timeline this drama like a K-drama recap. September 21. Okay, ha? Anti-corruption rally sa Manila. Mass goons steering violence. No? Binayaran ni First Lady at Speaker Romualdez ayon kay Chavit Singson. Ha? Malaking kasinungalingan. Pero wait, Chavit didn't stop there. He urged the students, boycott classes, stand up against corruption. This echoes EDSA 86 Youth Power, remember? Pero Claire Castro, ha? She flips, calls for DOJ, PNP probe, on Chavit for inciting sedition. Bakit ganyan? Enter the PCSO plot. Chavit admits he asked for his nephew's spot. There, fair, di ba? His sister Hannah Girl was chair under GMA. Pero dinedma ni BBM sour grapes ha? Or payback for ignoring a loyal list. Parang ex na nag-volunteer sa back bake sale. Tapos di pinansin. Biglang anti-ex forever. Facts from Palace Briefings. Clear says sa Chavit now Duterte super kasi di na grant. Pero Chavit Clubbacks, handa akong makulong. Walang personal interest. See the difference? Chavit is transparent. Palace, shady as a backroom deal. Sa Gen Z natin, this is a gaslighting 101. They promise change, then silence critics. Chavit, he's the uncle saying, tama na guys, let's fix this. Now, the juicy part, ha? The rest back. October 5, 2025. Clear sa press con, paulit-ulit ng bakit sa PCSO. May pagkakakitaan ba? Sirang plaka vibes, mga kawak. Chabit, no? October 6, bomb. Clear. Para kang attack dog. Aw, aw, aw. Nangangagat. Okay, ha? Iconic, di ba? Let's break it down intellectually. Clear's role, ha? Siya po ay palace mouthpiece. Pero bakit personal? She's accusing Chabit of sour grapes, but who's biting? Her responses, aggressive, unfiltered, like a guard dog off leash. Okay, in her September 22 briefing, ha, she dragged minors into it. Chavit inakit ang high schoolers, moral high ground, dubious. Picture this, ha? Chavit, 83 years old, facing sedition threats. Ha? Ikulong ako, patayin ako. Hiding behind ICI report ka na lang for Ilocos Norte anomalies. Hypocrisy alert, ha? Bakit nila probe yung flood projects na nagiging death traps, no? This is a classic deflection. Attack the messenger, ignore the message. Claire's like the TikTok dog chasing its tail. All bark, no bite on, real corruption. Chabit, ha? The wise wolf calling out the pack. A youth call, don't let attack dog silence your voice. You speak up like Manong. Okay, padip tayo ha mga kawok. This feud ha, microcosm ng Philippine politics 2025. Chabits anti-Marcos turn, not betrayed but awakening. From 2022, unity to now. Infrastructure scandals piling up. Transparency International ranks us 116th globally for corruption. Flood controls failing. Billions wasted. Why probe me, sabi ni Chabit, not the projects. Hannah Arendt said, corruption is the banana peel on democracy's path. Chabit slips on its first hero move. She's smart, ha? Lawyer kausap, pero weaponized. Turns pressures into attack ads. No, parang PR firm na nagtaas ng bayad. All spin, no substance, mga kaibigan. This silences decent, especially from elders like Chabit who built the system. We're the future, 60% under 30. If Manong can flip up 83, bakit hindi tayo? Sara Duterte Alliance, so strategic, not sell out. United front against opacity. Imagine a debate ha, pera mo ba? Sedition, popcorn, ready. Kaya mga kabataan, this kwentuhan for you. Chabit's call to boycott echoes your TikTok rants on tuition hikes. Jobless grads, clear threat, chilling. But remember, EDSA was youth-led, no? Simpleng tip, use your voice wisely. Share facts, not forwards. Chabit's bravery, ha? Inspiration from Casino King to Corruption Slayer. Bakit anti-Marcos? Kasi nakita niya ang system eating its own. You build better, join the laban. Vote informed na. Protest smart. Support truth. Tettlers like Manong, don't be the attack dog, be the watchdog, mga kaibigan. So kawok, sa huli, Chabit stress back, not drama, it's duty. There's back, loud but empty. Tama na ang kasinungalingan. Itindig natin ang katotohanan. Thanks for watching this couple of minutes deep dive. Like, share, subscribe para sa mas maraming kwentuhan like this. Mga kababayan, sa gitna ng kasinungalingan, mga kababayan, sa gitna ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang dinudurog. Pero kasama kayo, mga kawok, kaya nating itindig ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube membership. Sama-sama, panatilihin nating malaya at walang takot ang boses natin para sa bayan. Salamat sa inyong solid na suporta. Mag-subscribe na sa hashtag #WalkWithLan, YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng ating masiglang laban. Hashtag laban para sa katotohanan. See you next walk. Peace out at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.